I know I've been MIA. I have no excuse. Well, no valid excuse anyway. It's just, this month was pretty darn hectic. It was just a little bit much. I didn't put my Christmas tree up till like late. Hopefully I'm back 100%. I don't know what has gone down. I guess like my drive, like my inspiration just vanished. I don't know if it was because of the holidays and I had so much to do and I got sidetracked. I had a work trip, like I had a bunch of stuff. I know that's not good excuses, but I'm sorry. I know I told one person in the comments that I was gonna do a Christmas decorate video and I didn't, and I feel really bad about that. Hopefully that won't happen again and we can do better this year. This tree has glitter in it. Now I have a bunch of glitter on my floor, all over my clothes. Now I have to vacuum that. My mom got me this steam mop for Christmas, and I'm obsessed with it. It's the Shark steam mop, and I'm really happy with it. It literally eats up all the dirt. I have the mop that is the O-Cedar mop that has the spinner in it, and I love that mop. And I had literally, on Christmas, I had mopped my floor, and so when I got that present, me, as a little kid, I opened it, to use it. And when I tell you, I mopped my floor with a steam mop, and it literally pulled a bunch of dirt. So I highly recommend it. I'll leave it in the description box below. And remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Like the video, and if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them down below. Have a great day. Bye.